Starting from the back, material used is plastic with feather pattern texture, which gives a different kind of light reflection. At the back is the dual camera setup and the fingerprint sensor. The device weighs 160 grams. It's available in pine green and volcano black. Alcatel has also launched the 3L model in the first quarter of 2020. I have done a detailed review of this beautiful smartphone, and the link is in the cards above. It has a stunning 6.22-inch IPS HD+ Super Full View display with screen resolution of 720 by 1520 pixels. The selfie camera incorporated in the dewdrop shape, and the screen to body ratio is 19 by 5 by 9. It has a crystal clear display with sharp and vibrant colors. Under the sunlight, it goes too well than expected. We should appreciate Alcatel for bringing such a nice display for this budget smartphone. I'm really surprised. At the bottom, you find the speaker grill and micro USB port. Turning to the left is the dedicated Google Assistant button and the SIM slot. It's a dual SIM tray with 2 nano SIM slot, or you can use 1 nano SIM and a SD card. Moving to the top is the 3.5mm jack and the main mic. Finally, to the right is the volume rockers and the power button. The device is powered by the MediaTek MT6762D Helio P22 chipset. Out of the box, the device runs on Android 10. It has 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, which can be expandable up to 32 GB. As usual, the interface is clean and smooth. Apps found in different home screens. App launchers are smooth as well. Some apps are pre-installed in that, which you can uninstall as per your needs. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. More incredible videos are lined up for you. The device has a dual camera setup at the back. The main camera is a 13 megapixel wide lens with f1.8 aperture and a 5 megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Being a budget smartphone, the camera is far better than that of the current budget smartphone available in the market. I have tried in different scenarios and it did more than the expectations. So on the front, we get a selfie camera of 5 megapixel wide with f2.2 aperture. The quality is very much good. The picture speaks itself about the abilities of the camera. Front as well as the rear camera can record up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. The device comes with a whopping 4000 mAh battery. For this budget, it's a really good offer. In the package, there is a standard charger which will recharge the battery in 2 hours. The device has a rear fingerprint mount which is fast and accurate. The device has also the face unlock feature, and that's also fast and accurate. But in challenging light conditions, the fingerprint sensor is always handy. When the market is doomed with less budget smartphones, I have been surprised with this device. With a crystal clear display, plenty of storage space, and a long-lasting battery, Alcatel One V is a killer budget phone. If you are looking for a secondary device, then this should be on your list. That's it from me today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment. This is Manish and you are watching Technspice. I will meet you in a new cool video. Until then, stay safe, take care, bye.